What I'm showing you right now are the latest style trend for the year 2020, first quarter of the year here in Cebu Home and Builders. What you're looking at here is the 30 by 30 centimeter tile measure and what are their latest design. This is only 28 pesos here with the effect of stars and starfish and pebbles, and the other one is 30 pesos 50 cents each, but it's a part of a pattern that you need to buy four to create a pattern there. It's floral effect, and on the top it's 28 pesos per tile. Another new design, it comes in lighter and darker color, but you can see it's still floral effect. Now this can be used indoors and outdoors, but you can see these are matte. These are not polished. Here up there, 30 pesos at 50 cents, 30 by 30. It comes in different shade of beige, dark beige, and light beige. This one here in the bottom is another floral part of a pattern. It comes in pink, blue, and purple, and so you need to buy four to create this pattern. This one is recommended for outdoor. It's a matted one. It's only 28 pesos per tile, but you need four to create that circle, which is part of the pattern. It's matte, so it's not slippery or polished. But you can see it's recommended for outdoors because like this one on the top, these are Pebble Design, rock and pebble design that are good for near the garden or pathways towards the garden or around the garden area at 30 pesos and 50 cents per tile. So you also have the heavy pattern ones. Look at there on the top. That is now lowered down to 24 pesos only from 34 pesos before. And also here, there's another one, 24.50. This one, another heavy pattern one, 24.50. And on the bottom is the more heavier one, heavy pattern one, heavy 24.50. Again, these are 30 by 30 tiles. They got the matted effect here at 32.50. They also got the plain one, but you can feel the texture on it. These are the polished ones, but they are not highly polished. There's no texture, but you can feel the smoothness, but there is pattern, monochromatic pattern at 32.50 each. There you can see this one here got the texture effect at 32.50. There's the plain texture effect, and you got the beige one with texture effect at the same price at 32.50. There you got the different shade of the ivory thing at 32.50, and you also got the heavy pattern one at 32.50 here, the brownish one. And these are the 33 pesos each cappuccino patterns. So you see it's more monochromatic patterns, 33 pesos per tile, and then you can create the mosaic effect or the pattern that it's intended for. 33 pesos there. You got the different choices of pattern because some people like the effect like this. It's like those old villas, but they're also available in plain white or in texture or grainy effect matte at 32 pesos each. So the thing with pattern is you need to have four to create the look that it's intended for. Now in here you got a 20 by 20. If you have smaller rooms, it is advisable that you use smaller tiles to create it creates more bigger look on the room. Then if you have a small room, you use big tiles. So here, you can see the prices, 9 pesos 50 cents, 11 pesos, 9 pesos 90 cents. The cheapest one for this one is 8 pesos and 50 cents. There, 10 pesos 50 cents. That 9 there, 9.50, 10.75, all in texture. There's 8.90. And there's 12 pesos, These are the 20 by 20 plain colors, only in textured or polish. They don't have patterns for this one. These are their clearance sale for the wall tiles that they used to have for last year. The measurement for this one is 30 by 60. You can see that the purple one and the light purple one is 19 pesos and 50 cents from 65 pesos before. This one on the top, that's like the stone effect wall tile at 60 by 30 centimeters size, 109. This one here, the same sizes at 85 pesos each. There, I let you see the designs what it have. This one is like a marble effect. From 125, it's now 100 pesos. This one, 139 is now 99. These are the wood effect wall tiles at 30 by 60 measurement. They also have the heavy pattern wall tiles. You can see this one is like a checkered effect, beige and brown. And the other one is beige, black and white. But you can see, I'm trying to show you the texture. It's matte and it's got texture at 59 pesos each. It used to be 85 pesos, but now they lowered it down. They're trying to phase it out, ready for their new stocks to arrive. You got the brick effect there at 59 pesos each. Another one, like the wood effect in pink and yellow. Got like a wood texture on it. 59 pesos. You got the brick, the stone effect. And you got the brick in plain color at 59 still. This one is cheaper. The four colors, blue, beige, white, and black in squares, 55. The one on the top is 59. The one with different color again, like the blue, the blue is 55 pesos. Wall tiles. Because some people like wall tiles outdoors on their accent of their column, that's 59. And this one is 49, the one in the bottom. What you're looking at here are the new ones that arrive. These are recommended for outdoor tiles. These are 40 by 40, so you can see 69.75. These are the patterns that you're looking at. You got a wood effect, like wood planks here, 69.75, 40 by 40. The yellowish wood plank at 69.75. There's a heavy pattern 40 by 40 here, 49 pesos. This one, the darker squarish patterns at 69 pesos. This is the Parquet Floor effect. You know, the Parquet Floor, wood floor, they have that in tiles. This one at 68 pesos. This one, the wood plank effect at 68 pesos. The squares, like tiny tiles, at 68 pesos. Now you can see that it's recommended for outdoors because it's matted, textured, and look at the design. It's like rocks and pebbles. That's a honeycomb, white there, 68. And then the diamond black, white, 68. That one is another garden design at 68. And the same thing with this one, 68. The square one, but in lighter. Look at the beige one on the left side. Now this one is 68 as well for garden tiles or outdoor tiles or pathway tiles. Look at that marble effect. It's like rocks at 68. That one is with the combination of texture of the pebbles, 68. This one, heavy pattern one. This is 68 as well. But the top one is a part, that's for outdoor. It's part of a pattern. You need 4 to create the pattern at 48. Oh, I gotta adjust my camera first. Oh, this is the other 68 pesos. The other one on the bottom was bluish. That one's greenish and beige. 62.50 for the plain one. Then 62.75 for the plain ones rather. And this is 69. That one on the top, that is 68 pesos. And you got the plain green one at 68 pesos. But what you're looking at here is like the plain, but you can see there's a design texture on this. I don't think the camera is catching it, but it's actually different shade of like ivory. There's a pinkish one, there's a beigey one, and there's a white one and a yellowish one. That's all 69, but it's part of a pattern. 69 pesos each, 40 by 40. Now you got this black, terrazzo black, terrazzo gray. You can see the texture. It's only 57 pesos each. So it's got texture, and this one on the top, 54 pesos each, and this one on 51. They are like muted pattern underneath. It's dominatedly white, but it's got a muted color underneath it. 51 pesos each. They're recommended actually for bathroom walls. This shiny muted whites. This one, that's 51 pesos. Again, new one. This green. That one is 49 pesos on the top. This one is wood effect. Wall tile or floor tile, 54. And this one, the plain polished one, is 45.70. I think that's discounted already. This one is an outdoor tile pattern, 53 pesos. This one is another outdoor tiles, 53 pesos each. These are the new design that arrived. It comes in gray and beige. There another one, gray and beige with different design, but they are recommended for outdoor because of their design, and also they are already matte and then with texture, so it's not slippery. 53 pesos each. You got the brick design. This one is like slightly polished, but although the design, it looks like it's gonna be outdoor, but you can see it's polished. Like that one there, that's the woodland effect, Malta woodland, but it can be also be the for indoors. The one the lady is touching is actually semi-polished textured one at 49 pesos each, but you can see that design, it's recommended for outdoors. This one here are matted tiles, but you can see the design are for outdoors. You got the pebble effect and wood, like a garden thing. 56 pesos and 50 cents each. You need 4 to create the pattern, but I hope the camera is catching it well, but it comes actually in different shade, the darker and the lighter. On the top, you got the marble effect brick, 50 pesos each. Again, there's another pattern that new here. This one here with a circle on the middle. That's only 48 pesos per tile, 40 by 40. Again, this one on the left, this one 48 pesos to get the triangle effect with pebbles on it. On the top, again 48 pesos with rocks. Again, triangle effect, 48 pesos. This one you need 2 or 3 to get this S design, the swingy thing. 49. Again, pattern one, 48. Look at this one, 48 pesos, but you can accent this on the bottom of your house outside. It looks like a brick. It's matted, and this one is 48 pesos. Again, 48. These are the new ones, the beige and blue. Again, this one is a matted tile for outdoors or indoors. You can feel the texture on this one at 48 pesos each. Some people like this kind of tiles indoors, 48 pesos each. But this one got a pattern that you need to connect to create the pattern, and that it's intended to look like part of a mosaic. 48 pesos. Those are the new ones, 48 pesos. Again, stone effect. And these are the plain one. That's again for stone effect, although they still have the plain ones that got a texture, the smooth grainy texture, but it's not polished. It's 48, that's 54 the beige, 46 the blue, 54 the white one. It has different prices. That's 49.50 for the gray black, 46.50 for the green, 47 for the white. This one here, the Royal Pinot Royal, is that's the price. That's for outdoors, and of course this one I recommended for indoors. Now you can see it's 49 pesos, but it's highly polished. You get a 47, the lighter version of that one. And look at this behind this. It's only 35 pesos, wood effect polish. There you got the stripe one, like wood planks. But this one I want to show you is part of a pattern of 4. And it comes with lighter shade and darker shade. But you need 4 to create that pattern, and it's recommended for indoors. It's only 35 pesos per tile. Now on this line here, these are the muted effect tile. You can see it's only 34 pesos, but it's dominantly white. But you got the hue effect of different colors like the green and peach, pink. This kind of tiles are recommended for bathroom walls or even bathroom floors, but it's slippery. Mostly it's bathroom walls. At 34 pesos per tile, you got the muted colors that makes the bathroom more exciting, not just plain white. So there you are.